Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable, minimize and windowing and maximizing buttons in GNOME, in Arch Linux or any other distribution. So if you are on Arch Linux and don't have gnome-tweaks installed, then you can install it by running a command I added in the description, or you can install gnome-tweaks like if you're using Fedora, then you can run the sudo dnf install gnome-tweaks. But we are in Arch now, and I use, like, for this installation of Arch, I use the Arch install script, so it actually installs the tweaks application by default and all the Arch Linux goodies. I mean the GNOME goodies, like the GNOME extra. So you gotta go open up the Tweaks app, and if you're opening it for the first time and running the latest version of GNOME, you can see this thing, extensions as well. So you're gonna click on continue. Now we're gonna go to window title bars. You can see on title bars, you can actually change where to place. If you're a macOS user, then it would be useful to set it to that. But for normal users, right side is okay. You can enable maximize and minimize here, and you can see the buttons are here now. However, like in Ubuntu, you can't bring the dock or desktop icons. It's not possible in other Linux distributions like Arch, Fedora, and etc. Even on Debian based Linux distros, you can't actually bring desktop icons and dock back. So this is how you bring the maximize and minimize buttons in GNOME for GNOME desktops that don't have this. So if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribing, it will be much more helpful. I will try to make more videos, and as you know, this is not a Fedora video. I thought of making Fedora only videos, but no. So I'm deciding to make every Linux distro videos, like Arch Linux, Fedora, Ubuntu, Debian, Linux Mint, etc., etc. And yeah, this is my previous video was a upgrading Raspberry Pi OS, which is a Debian based distro, not a Fedora based distro. But don't worry, I will make Fedora videos. Not like I'm not going to make any kind of Fedora video. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Till then.